All right, so here we are in the Jeep. There's this little rubber thing. I think it'll go in, it won't go in the new one actually, because the new one's got the thing in the middle where you'd have to cut it to make it go in. I'll look at the directions to see what they say. And then we look in here and there's a little Phillips head on each side. Basically we undo that and pull this out, I believe. We'll see. Or just attach this one to it. Actually, we don't even pull anything out. So the old one in the JK was different. This one just sits on top and it stays there. So this one's just gonna screw in. Pretty simple. All right, so we just have to loosen this ball. Pretty much not rocket science. You put that on there. You put this on there. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not showing you anything. Let's try that again. You put this little nut on here. Pop this little thing on here and you tighten this up. So not much to it, pretty simple. These screws went in pretty quick. It looks pretty nice. It matches sort of the trim here. It's not the same rubberiness. It's a little bit more rigid, a little bit more plasticky, but it's okay. And I think it'll work good. So I'm not actually sure what this is for. And they don't tell you in the directions. So I'm wondering if that's to maybe hold your phone or something. I'm not sure. If you know, put a comment in there below and let me know what this is for. It's a weird little, it's sort of rubbery. It's like a rubber band material. So I'm guessing it's to hold your phone in. Maybe grab it by the edges or something. Of course, I'm filming on the phone right now, so that would be tough to tell, but that's what my guess is.
Please like and subscribe.
The next thing is the factory antenna. This thing whips around like crazy in a car wash, or if you hit something, it goes crazy. So I'm gonna go with a shorty that I got from Rugged Ridge. And actually I had a reader suggest this. I threw it on one of my wish lists and got it for my birthday. So let's check it out. All right, so I'm using a 3/8 wrench here. There's this little flat spot on here. Basically, you just have to loosen it and kind of grab it. It's a little hard to do holding the camera, so but you get the idea. Loosen it here, and then we'll get that off. 3/8 seems to work. There's probably a metric equivalent, but 3/8 seems to work for me. That's pretty much all there is to it. I just put this on by hand. There's nowhere to tighten. There's no like tightening thing or anything. It seems good, so hopefully it has decent reception. I mostly listen to XM, but hopefully it's decent. It seems reasonably tight, so good to go. Success. All right, so you see we were able to get this Rugged Ridge holder in place, and I got my phone on there. It's pretty secure and everything, and I got the antenna out there too. So I'm actually going to check out how the antenna works with AM, FM. I'll probably have to blur out the sound so we don't get any copyright violations. So let's go ahead with our FM here. Seems about normal. I don't actually use it that much, but I guess if we have these little clips, we probably won't get in trouble. Yeah, but basically have all the same channels. So as far as I can tell, I'm gonna turn that off. It looks like it's pretty good, and we'll have to check this out, but it seems like it'll be all right. There's a little thing here to tighten up some stuff. So overall, pretty good, quick mods. That's all I got. Thanks. Please hit the like and subscribe button.